Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you're stuck in the lobby and you can't move. So this happens when you spawn in the lobby and you can't move. As you can see, it says click here if you're stuck in the lobby, and it's just basically going to respawn you. So if you're stuck in the lobby, just press this. I'm not stuck in the lobby, so it's not gonna work, but it's just going to basically respawn you again. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Also, there's a really cool ice skating rink here. Oh, there's Lana there. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Oh, another Lana. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!